好消息啊！今日咧，我午膳嗰陣時候咧，我去咗 reader 房啦，我係讀晒成篇嘢添啊，喺個 English Ambassador 嗰度面前啊，佢仲話我咧，我讀得好清楚啊！
吓？咩 reader 房啊？我今日都去咗，一開始仲好緊張，讀到一半仲要停低喘氣添。
reader 房係嘛？你咪唔知係嘛？老師咧去帶我哋去午式去帶讀 English Ambassador 聽啊嘛，只要我哋練下發音對文章嘅認識就可以㗎啦，又唔係比賽。
我知，實在太犀利啦，總算冇白費到我哋一直以嚟練習嘅時間。咦 reader 房啊，我都想去嗰度試下喎。聽日就輪到我啦，等我可以去嗰度試下朗讀先。不如睇下今次嘅結果先啦，可以俾你多啲信心啊嘛。
Morning everyone, welcome to today's morning broadcast.
I think the S2 classmates have been waiting so long to know the results.
Now, let's continue on our announcement.
2A 歐國浩、白奕涵、陳建豪、陳浩坤、陳木琪、張韻詩、蔡銀添、簡卓南、劉益新、李韓迪、羅永軒、鄧范雲天、黃子柔、張俊宏、趙培錦。
2B, Amna, Gabriel, Season, Alicia, Leo, Aradhana, Soan, Hania, Siddhartha, Ivanka, Ta Chung-he, Tumia, Alexandra, Brian, Prabik, Yuvan, Syra, Avias, Rahina, Umang, Adriel, Ira, Isaiah.
2C 歐欣橋、李燕妮、曾柏恒、黃子津、殷顯龍。2D 黃正浩。
2E 陳俊宇、陳家寶、陳思業、蔣博文、周景南、丁樂欣、馮燕君、胡志遠、賈適文、梁嘉莉、李俊富、陸卓星、吳希雷、吳奕坤、潘子喬。
蘇津偉、蘇雲音、譚其俊、杜子軒、蔡俊升、徐子賢、黃俊儀、黃之穎、夏曼寧、楊琪希、葉詠森、姚日希、張依、趙願晴、莊子欣、李思晴、賴若軒、萬子若。
Congratulations on the mentioned classmates. Try your best. We believe that you all can make a better achievement in the third readathon.
This is the end of our announcement. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye. 係咯，放鬆下都好啫。reader 房本來就係俾我哋自己訓練機會嚟㗎嘛。
的確 reader 房唔係為咗獎品，係為咗我哋大聲地表現自己啊嘛。聽日我一定要去試下，一陣間我哋陪佢讀多幾次，等佢冇咁驚啦。
冇問題。
哎呀，大鑊啦！我唔記得咗禮拜一朝頭就要讀啲咩書啊？你有冇啲好書推介啊？
唉，平時都冇咩書好睇喎。不過經過今次呢個禮拜嘅 reader 房練習，我發現到攞到入邊書本嘅內容其實都幾過癮㗎喎。
都叫你哋平時睇多啲書㗎啦，豐富一下自己嘅內涵。不如一齊去睇下今日社區聯絡組嘅好書推介啦。
校長、各位老師、各位同學，
我係4班黎子希，
我係4班鍾一良。
今日我哋會代表社區聯絡組作好書推介。我哋要介紹嘅書叫《一本書終結你的拖延症》，作者係大平信孝。
開始介紹呢本書之前，問大家一個問題：如果有個人冇播過種，但期待豐收嘅收穫，你會有咩睇法？會唔會覺得佢好不切實際？換咗返我哋日常學生生活見到嘅例子，譬如就係同學想講流利嘅英文，但一直唔肯講一句；想要鍛鍊身體變得更健康，但淨係喺場邊睇校隊訓練。中六嘅時候想報間好嘅大學，卻於高中3年荒廢 OLE 同埋 SLP 嘅建立。
而呢本書主要嘅內容就會分別從消滅拖延、維持專注力、不被情緒左右、善用時間及培養行為 培養行動思考等5方面，去剖析被動派同主動派嘅人，向日常處事方面點解同埋點樣去行動。作者話俾我哋知，被動嘅人呢總係怕麻煩，唔想蝕底同中意等；而主意嘅人呢，從來都唔會勉強自己，完成一件事呢，從來都唔依靠盲目，反而呢係好從容。作者認為兩者之間呢，都唔係能力、個性嘅分別，唯一唔同呢，就係對待事物嘅態度。
呢本書俾咗好多方法改善呢個問題，其中一個叫做10秒鐘行動。作者教我哋做咩都好，先從嗰件事嘅10秒鐘做起。例如想溫書要用成個鐘，先從最簡單嘅開始，拎本書打開放喺台面上面先。又或者想出街跑步但有啲懶，可以花10秒鐘換咗運動衫先。作者認為10秒鐘就做到嘅嘢，就會開始去睇機，更容易連接下一個行動。所以書既然拎咗出嚟，就試下溫5分鐘先。運動衫換咗，就試下拉5分鐘筋先。呢個方法帶出嘅重點係淨係等待幹勁自己出現，咁你就永遠冇辦法採取行動。總之先動起來，幹勁自然就會出現。
另一個作者分享嘅方法係兵馬效應。呢本書教我哋喺相同嘅地點做相同嘅工作，就能逐漸咁令大腦形成既定嘅印象。接下來只要不停重複相同嘅動作，就可以進一步強化呢個習慣。將書房嘅台呢定為淨係完成功課嘅地方，而溫習死記爛背嘅呢啲動作就去自修室，唔使用腦嘅呢，就喺床上面休息嘅時間。作者建議我哋特定嘅動作同場所相連結，建立起固定模式，慢慢你就會識用。坐喺書台就會諗起功課，一到 UT 你就會掛住自修室呢個地方。所以有啲身邊嘅學霸就會同你講話：我翻屋企溫唔到書嘅，一定要去自修室先溫到。又或者有啲人同你講：我喺公司先做到嘢，翻屋企係零工作效率同樣道理。翻屋企係零工作效率同樣道理。
呢個方法係想帶出，其實問題不在於能力、個性，只要從細由行動開始做起，就會有應對怕麻煩、討厭變化嘅心態。最後，一本書終結你的拖延症的真正價值，在於個人責任感的覺醒，不再將拖延歸咎於外在條件，而正視自身嘅選擇同埋價值觀，走向自律。自由且充實的健康生活方式。希望有興趣或想成為主動派嘅同學仔，可以去圖書館借一本書。多謝大家。
哇，本書都幾吸引㗎喎，等我哋去圖書館借先啦。等我陪你去圖書館慢慢揀啦。除咗呢本之外，我哋仲可以借到好多有 feel 嘅書，咁咪冇咁單調咯。好啊，好啊。
冇啊！你話同我練聽日嘅呢隻房嘅 ？No！
Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to be learning about geography vocabulary. We'll be talking about water in Hong Kong. But I'd like to ask a question. Do you know where water comes from?
Yes, water goes through a process called the water cycle.
Absolutely. The first step of the water cycle is precipitation. That means rain has to fall. What happens to the rain once it has fallen onto the ground?
The rain infiltrates the ground, which means that it goes underground and becomes groundwater.
I see. So how does the water then get back into the sky to complete the water cycle?
Water evaporates from the ocean and lakes. That where concentration takes place, the water changes the gas to a liquid. This is when we see clouds in the sky.
Then where does Hong Kong get its water from?
We get about 70% of our water from the Guangdong province in China. We import a lot of our water from the Dongjiang or Dong River because we don't have enough water to meet demands of the population.
We also use seawater for toilet flushing, which saves our fresh drinking water supply.
Let's recap the vocabulary.
Today we learned more about the water cycle. The water cycle consists of precipitation, infiltration, evaporation, and lastly condensation. That's all for today.
Thank
Thanks.
you.